The green takes, black and white's the same color. The green will be the red. Alright guys. It's a little hot up here. It's actually not that bad.
No, it's not.
It's not hot. I'm sweating because I wasn't made for physical exertion. That's not my thing. You know how people are born with 2 legs and 2 arms? Well, I was born without the proper epidural layer to handle physical exertion. I'm kind of handicapped, disabled in that way, but I made the best of my life and I work harder than everyone else. So I have no excuse to feel sorry for you guys. Anyway, Zach is currently pretending to work. I'll show you for a minute what's interesting, ass sweat. I like that. I don't know if you can see what he's doing right now, but he's moving some wires and we're getting ready. We had a game changer, last minute, 9th inning game changer. So we've made a couple modifications in the field. Modifications in the field never happen, right? Anyway, we're doing some field modifications and we're going to mount this thing here in a minute. Keep you updated. Signing off.